Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize affiliate marketing with WordPress plugins, complete guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing affiliate marketing with WordPress plugins, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for affiliate marketing plugins. In the search bar, type in Affiliate WP or any other affiliate plugin of your choice. Once you find the plugin, click the Install Now button. After the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Now, locate the newly activated plugin on the sidebar. Click on the plugin to open its settings. You may need to configure the basic settings, such as your affiliate page URL and payment options. Set up your affiliate registration page by configuring required fields. Determine whether you want affiliates to register automatically or manually. Next, adjust the commission settings to define how much your affiliates will earn. Consider enabling tracking features to monitor clicks and conversions. To add affiliates, go to the Affiliate section within the plugin. Click on Add New to manually add an affiliate or provide them with a registration link. Once affiliates are registered, share marketing materials, like banners and links. Ensure to test the affiliate links yourself to verify they work correctly. To promote your affiliate program, create a landing page detailing benefits for potential affiliates. Regularly update your affiliates with new products or promotions. Monitor the performance of affiliates through the plugin's reporting features. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your program's effectiveness. Once everything is set, you are ready to start promoting your affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.